Hello friends, today we will learn about the Active Directory installation on Windows 2016 server. So for that I have installed a Windows 2016 Standard Edition on my virtual box. You can see. So before the Active Directory installations, we require a static IP address on my Windows server machine where we will install the Active Directory. So for that we need to select the LAN card, default LAN card. So after selecting this, I have just click on the Ethernet port and click on the properties and IPv4 and properties. See, I have already assigned the static IP address on my uh, LAN card with the subnet mask 255.0.0.0. This IP address can be changed as per your network infrastructure. So it doesn't mean like if I have assigned a 10.0.0.1, so you will also assign. So the best thing is that like you need to just discuss with your network team. They will help you out about the IP addressing. After assigning the IP address, you need to click on the Start Server Manager and add roles and features. Server manager is collecting inventory. There are some installation were happened on this machine, so it is just rebooted, and after that it is collecting some inventory data. So just you can click on the OK, and now again click on the add roles. uh, Add roles and feature wizard is displayed here. You need to click on the next. In the next options you need to select the installation type, because Windows 2016 server support two types of installation type. One is role based or feature based installation, and second is the remote desktop services installation. uh, Default option is the role based or feature based installations, because we are just going to install Active Directory on a single server. So after selecting this, click on the next and select a destination server. The roles which you will install, it needs to be selected on a destination where it will be installed. So in my environment, because this is the same machine where we have assigned the IP address, and so we have just clicking on the next. Now you can see there are the several Active Directory based services are there. So we need to select on the Active Directory domain service. After selecting that, we can see there are the several features that is also required, I mean that is dependent service of the Active Directory domain. So by default it is selected. After selection of this, we need to click on the include management tools, because this is also default selected, so you can leave it as it is, and after click on the add features. So after selection of this, you need to click on the next. So before proceeding that, you can see the descriptions what Active Directory does for the network infrastructure. So after that, click on the next and group policy management. This is the default features of the Active Directory domain service. This group policy helps us to implementing different kind of policies, such as prohibiting software installation, prohibiting some services or features from the control panel for the users, and also it helps us to implementing a common kind of wallpaper all over the network desktop. So this is the default features of the Active Directory, so we don't need to remove this. We need to click on the next. After that, you can see the Active Directory definitions, and click on the next. If reboot is required, so you can select here. So reboot will be automatically uh, mm, triggered on this server. So click on install. So this will take some times for the Active Directory domain service installation and other dependent services installation. Thank you. We will proceed on the next videos how to configure the Active Directory. Thank you for viewing this video.